Okay, so these are the Brophy camper jacks. These are the 1,000-pound capacity ones. I believe it's 500 per side. But yeah, just a super simple design jack that's good for smaller campers. I definitely wouldn't use these style jacks for anything bigger than a camper such as this. Definitely not one with a big cabo portion. You can see how wobbly they are. Maybe if you had a third in the back just to stabilize everything, but yeah, they work really nice. Yeah, they lock in, just a hand winch and basically a pull with a cable. You know, finding the center point was pretty easy on this camper since it's basically just a square. But yeah, I was planning on making my own, but I mean, by the time I, get all the parts, it's probably going to be a couple $100, and these were $430 shipped to my house. So I mean, just saves me time instead of building them. It's just easier to buy them. Getting it in the truck is the only issue I have right now because I didn't build the camper wide enough. I pretty much have no overhang past the side of the bed, so I basically have to slide the bed rail sits right here, and I basically have to back the truck in, and I can only go in about 2/3 of the camper, and then we have to lower it into the bed and slide the camper in the rest of the way. Fortunately, the camper's pretty light, so sliding it in isn't too much of an issue. And these have been out in the weather and the rain, and no rust, galvanized steel, it's powder coated base. So these things are definitely worth the money if you have a camper about this size, or I know some people even use these for larger truck toppers. Just wanted to give everyone an update on how I was getting this little pop top camper into the bed of the truck, and this is what I'm using. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.